constituency, Honorable Kadeo Ngere Sheundo, the chairperson of our party, Member of Parliament and Chief Whip of our party, the National Assembly, Jennifer Van den Heevel, who is in our midst, the members of Parliament present here, Elma Dinda, Secretary of Education, Vipua Moharukwa, Secretary of International Relations, Member of Parliament, Senior Moharukwa and Councillor of Epupa Rural, the Secretary, members of the Executive Committees present here, Secretary for Agriculture, and the veteran of our party, Duluti Jiharine, members of the Central Committee present here, and veterans of our party, amongst others, Mike Benani, Victor Kahoro, Kresi Kundisa, that are present with us this evening. My dear wife, Claudina, who is with us this evening, General Field Marshal, and our Reverend General Oves, Kawari, and all other representatives of the Red Flag, respected men of the clergy that are present here, our colleagues from Tine Mukuru Church, and our bishop that is within our midst, our various senior traditional councillors present here, the traditional councillor Uyewetuashi Hange from the Chikaoko Traditional Authority, representatives, representative of the Traditional Authority of the Maharel Royal House, Chief Dalga Vedepa Bochombinde, and all other representatives of various traditional authorities that are with us this evening, members of the media. Tonight I'm talking to you. Ladies and gentlemen, before I start with my speech, I want to quote what Chief Clemens Kapoor said with his own words, and I quote, "Every man must find something worth dying for. Every man must find something worth dying for. And my cause is to die for Namibia," quote unquote. Clemens Kapoor washere oshiungura shomunda uhe okupahoshi namo munyoshima tiresho nami mbatuka kokushona namo kokuliro kutukire ya Namibia oshiungura shime ungura kakotire yanti omamboga ungire Chief Clemens Kapoor nambano mudabia mambo chingiriza ethetule gold twekule mbuluko mwashe wangu mbiwa mutambo washimbauya chango bantu tate muhono rukoro chwaka nyama golongo mbeletu gamako piko vinyonde hako ndopo murundero chodu ya chitendero twekule mbuluko mwashe wali na angaji ingolo nyizo tushawo ingwa kamuniko bazuko baya maeka omure nungu heri chitaka murungu nungu heri muhoni muterano nungu heri mupenyenye wabantu wochirera bakajja bikonda twauka ku bikoto malindi okabule hakundaga ngako mawa omwache kwa damo bantu ibaba lumonje kwa yakanje okujite na hatum twebwe mbuko mwache muhona mwetuli kiro jira kumararakan ayo bemwi ayo baunguliza ayo kubali nuzo kurara kanondo mu wakoterwa konjona banja mwaka mbotu hele vitambo ndeli baponga vekile abakomunikana wako dukwa amwe mureja tukwa beba romba nongwa na shibeli komakaya tukala huru maruka dunge heli mangeha konako kwa kashiro mwache wa ihe kupoza mama huru ngotu ingo zindorofe mu vitambo yakani ngiro ruku ko ya getemba ro ngumishi wa ngombe na uwanga shobe umatoma wanga cheko wangu ama Omudando murumendu mwagachi wake hilo watu urombo shorongoro kubiheshi kupoza kubizara njara ke hilo vitu nduma ndobe kujuo okazunda jindongo depuiko malende hapuiko matimu. Omudando murumendu ngwa ambaye tuko mroro waka mlozima ongoro kwenda. Washirwa peno wanasho wadando wako waweka ningire yaka nambo ningiro moja ningiro mirongo. Washirwa peno mwache wadatengu wachibeze cha jindongo. Omudando murumendu ngwa kukwami ngwa kwatero wako ngobo mbuna waka kumitoto odonongo kumutibaro mapopo gazoro chwa ufa. Igwa chino uwori hapi ya mawagu kwami. Kuro hongile kapua hongile hapi ya mawagu kwami. Washirwa peno mwache wahakako upero chongombe kutu hata munu weji wahamiko wanduka wekata munadhamu. Igwa kabetemu. Washirwa peno mwache wakarai hewa chimara chanda randa ra mkwa hero wahona odondo wakoto odondo wako. Omudandungwe kuno higako ngombe yangu kuma ngonja lino mago mingi jihali na chidilwa yaka yana jizo jete yaka jino yohane za wakarai. Washirwa peno mwache wanderure tungo chongo mbono. Washirwa peno mnumoro waka piki wahamagana. Washirwa peno mbanderu wandithiro waka ndoba okoruke wondu vyaonda urajiharo ndoke tambo rango mbairo ngombe jaga bitauri ni ipandekwa himo tumewa hapa ndako uye. Washirwa peno mwache wahangerongo maki. Washirwa peno wanasho mengino wakahiko wabide pombiaru kuru. Washirwa peno wanacho walangu munyomba raka kachira wanacho wakachi tuponti haka wanja mabachirwa kochi waka mome na chiwa haka temba komiru bidi kuto opahora wike liongo kateta yodo ndogonjo na kongwaji tiyoka kongoka hebi wandu. Waile rumwe chaka endapo zipola chambeli yoro waka thao wanache kumuliko kongondhia hemba machi waile kumulando murumendo mainya kome. Washirwa matu hangori enda na mkonjara na moshijojo jembo na bano njibanji njauta maipuro munyomwashi feo kupuro munyomwashi ngutu kura kunyamwashi watari wetu mulando murumendo leo kumana kushakapo waito hange mehiti waita kaveterwa na wakukendeleza postora poka karara kamuru hange haka matapati kaiti wadu haka matapati wakamuru wiko toka koshi wako wamuru hange kokao wadu bazo nukia hangano ujembo hanganithi waka hapo sipo kasha machete umachete wa oromende yongo kurushima iwa kwa machete viaje kwa wataku mwelofara kwa kuni hatana komba hali hindi kuyu apadere poro thewati ya sipi apadere poro thewati ya kwa wadu wa mongo na bana minamu ungira kapo dinondika kwa meme tere kare kuru hundi pothio kusha mewa kwa kurayara kwa uye kushabi omurushu waliwe munane ungurobe unane owa kwetu mbai twahindiro wakwetu kushakatungule ubaraka popa owa kwetu betu yara mbashirika mena kwa kongura kunaye apeto nongo weka kwa wahindo mwana baya wako kungira kunani shakatungile kako nutwende chimaka kwa mwana kotoke njiraka ni matimu uche ubaraka poka lihande noyeteka raha nowa kwetu kumaira rakana poka ngauri na bora myangu vikamiza wandu bebali Duda vya hitabu mungirani ndio nimehukira ukoto shineni murume mbaba mai kawe na andiko chitekana murume nguruti waji halinde tate mungu atate chitekana eyu haraka puo simato haraka na tuhele rauto murume ndo atekama Oshi uzopolitika ondietia mbero ondietia oki yako wako wajihalinde na wako wajihalinde kama mtuwego na ogusha katuto kuthemburuge warakapu musimbesho politika ya kapu eyo mburo ndomo kumburaji ne washere chiwano hindole ndobe rauto murume ne mukazaradu wajihaliwa kamurepa kabina yalake yuka oyi nambia alungulirwa opolotika ye hindi alikana hame oya simatura rakana kumbo bina etekana na kushoba helero pobi wa nabyaro kabina uthemba kuthembuka kapoka pothio kushamatu shabishi kwa ngura pamwe onawa pothio kushamatu madu pa homo nguri wako mwa kweto betu yara numeti yara la pembo limwe numehenda kuliguba bakubo bete kaduna bana hapo kaduna wandu nimeto bila hata bitaro chicha wali kwa bara yuzine chira chino chia wali kuja chino wandu wengi ongero sima tu embuka pa mwe apeka wibara hapo ni mu wandu osu hapo beri mu wandu oruto chibara beri hapo ni pakiye sibini wibara ndete na mine andaye ndia hapo karo wandu osu hapo bagaro bisiri osu hapo eme ni osu hapo mena wandu bagaro wibara ka
metodologica etukangi okuhembaka me batu terekare na tala maku ngomundu komarakano wandu wetano bada kujenga rurondo lura pata kushi mega bino wandu wetano mekutara oya bingi mnyambyo kambi ibyo chimesha kakutwa pamwe mitimo ko nguro shitu pamwe nokuba kugenda ku mama wangu bina binga kujitara ndo mahana chiwala mama hano kahanja mahana binga pia hapo Mase kapuoro mutunge wohangi nusindienda kwa kwetu no hami mpaka hapo ni nakutoni nokula maende no meruka kwa kwetu ya mase teo honi amu ngiro ngwatira oshiwanashi nukapuogaro munane bahereroka waromuna ne wehira Namibia waongo mihoko behira Namibia kapuo o nationalist na come to that wakambura murondero gokuo kwa Namibia ikale pama wanashi waherero wa kwetu twepi kaungungiwo eyu araka puoro male murukiro raufo ndiye tiamo kwe muruko munane kwa tira menaro ndiye tia nanda kukapuoka kautiro ndiye tia kasha tano hanga oro muka kapuelike kwa tashi yangaya no hanga akuye kutaka puono hanga akuye kuta njombano lenmae no wana ni ndiye tia ba abeshire urubendo na bana mamusho ndiye tia pe baraka poi gapo bera ero mundu kuhiaro kunana masha kama wenda ani kana Luandu wetu ngatulire kuruke mimi kwa ngulio bigo luandu kwa kufeyana kwa mshwanda wetu pro hambane namo nukushinda yo mshwanda tusi tatusi kuna kufaida katusi mtu wanje jironde mtu organize ule o kwa grupu wetu na eteno ndio kugarama abarume yake roho mambo wanje members of the media there is one narrative in this country. And is to hear the story of the victor. What SWAPO says is a history. All of you in the media confirms it's a correct history. Because the victors decides the narrative of the true history. I want to tell you, members of the media, this evening, an untold history of Chief Clements Kapuo. We are once again, for the 39th time, conglomerated here to celebrate a life well lived of a towering political giant that traversed our nations with humility, honor and dignity. Shwanga sana Namibia twarunga namba kwao kwa urugomuro misha oisha mirongo mitatu na muyu okudemburuka nokunyandera okudemburuka ompande ondongame onene jakaenda onda bongo tumehire tu nondegero nondengu. Clements Muturunge Kapuo shall always be remembered by current and future generations as our nation's unsung hero, who immensely contributed to the shaping of our modern day Namibia. Clements Muturunge Kapuo male murukwa kova kodonditona doria bere oshawo muno odombande de haiburi wa musharombande waunguro shiungura shokutuno Namibia jenge kulino Namibia obemuturupa. Clements Kapuo was born at Omonjo Nalanjamo, Niao Kahanja, 1923, from his father Ivako Clements Kapuo and mother Inanga Nji Kandrikirira. That's a direct cousin of Paramount Chief Samuel Maharero, whose remains were returned back to Namibia from exile, then to Bechuanaland in the same year Kapuo was born. Barakli Clements Kapuo wakati wagonjwa na Lanjamo popedo na kahanja mbure ibiri mwene matere mubino mirongo bibari na ndatu kuihe iba ko Clements Kapuo na inaanga jika ndirikirira eye inaanga jika ndirikirira owa ya chaudu na katare omno mutena okusha warumuramwe ongarate wa tawera maharero eye kwa dako shawana kwaenda matupa we mbura nyuma kienda matupa dhamure kwa shawana Chief Clements completed his education in Windhoek at the St. Barnabas and went to Stofberg Teachers Training College in Transvaal in the then Union of South Africa, where he qualified as a teacher. Chief Clemens Kapua iko skole ya St. Barnabas akudama pekeri honga ko skole ya penje ko Union cha South Africa rubede ndo ko Transvaal ko skole Stofberg ayo mitiri. Kapua started teaching at the St. Barnabas College and later went to Waterberg Primary School near Kakarara. Kapua wa uto kuhonga mo St. Barnabas kudamba chinditi wa iko skole ya Kakarara kumongode kakahonga rubedo betumbi. He returned to his alma mater, where he taught with various prestigious teachers of his time. Teachers such as Tio Kachimune, Mitri Kwende, Mitri Karita, Mitri Bethel Limumune, and Jeremiah Yakara amongst many. Chief Clemens Kapua kutoka St. Barnabas alikuwa pia kuongapi na Mitri, Ogongwa Orwedendo, Mitri Tio Kachimune, Mitri Kwende, Mitri Karita, Bethel Limumune, na Jeremiah Yakara Mokatiko Beki. It is a St. Barnabas that he helped taught amongst many, the founding president of our republic, His Excellency Dr. Sam Nujoma. He played a cardinal role together with many to establish the first teachers union in the country together with Tio Kachimune and many others. Mitri Clemens Kapua, also Mitri Chao, Wahongo Beki, Mumo katika wahongo president na jengo president Odega mehira na bibi kutuke omutatu wana mushudikwa Dr. Sam Nujoma. Wakara no shunguro shinene pero Mitri Orwedendo shinene mapede kwa Tio Kachimune kwa utapamo rutu do Mitri oruteka teka mehira na bibi ya kehio huri. His early childhood was at a tender age shaped by his father, who was a member of the Chief Council under the leadership of the legendary Chief Hosea Kutako, who introduced his son to the chief, and a special bond would ensue that stretches over 4 decades. Clemens Kapua ko politika uyano omburo ndindi shinene nuwashitwa hiyo ngaro ya ihe igwiva ko Clemens Kapua wali popedo na shinene mo Chief Council akihi unane uho kwa the Chief Hosea Kutako eye ogwa raera Chief Hosea Kutako kuza unu mache okatiti kwa hongito zo Mitri nu chimatu hongire kuru hongira Chief Hosea Kutako na Kapua wakara orubede rorufu vero wapamwe kahino urogomuro mirongo bine tu wakara babane hipam. Around the 1940s, the Chief Council was the only legitimate cultural and political formation that was seized with the matter of pursuing an agenda of freeing the country from the yoke of oppression. Hence, Kutako became a point of various courtesy visits from journalists abroad and authority representatives. Thus, Kapua was appointed as a translator of Chief Hosea Kutako. Okudama mbure yobiri mwena matere mubino mirongo bine kapekarero bira politiko rubedendo paro Chief Council ndo rutu abirikero mubavu ndo aronguro bibura politika ndo arubitha ko kushona bibia ikutuke okusha Chief Hosea Kutako mundu ngwarubitha